Hey, welcome to the real world project based Django course where we'll be building a multi-vendor restaurant marketplace website with the location based search functionalities using GeoDjango and Google APIs. My name is Ratan. I will be leading you through this course. I am a professional software developer with over 8 years of web development experience. I have worked on various Python applications in my entire career, and I have a very strong knowledge of Python and Django framework. So I'm here to transfer my knowledge to you guys by building something really useful. We'll be building easy to very complex functionalities in this course, such as Django custom user model, Django signals, token verification, and so many CRUD operations with the AJAX requests, and we'll also write some really complex location queries and so much more that I cannot tell in this short intro video. This project based course not only teaches you how to write code, but also shows you how to think of a specific problem and decide how to come up with the right solution. We'll be deploying this course on Ubuntu Virtual Private Server using Nginx and GUnicorn with the Postgres database. With that in place, we will also configure custom domain name with the certbot SSL certificate. This is not just a so-called real-world project that teaches you little more than hello world. No, it is feature-rich and it provides you in-depth knowledge of each and every line of code you write. Not only you will learn to make the most complex functionalities in this course, you will also be able to put together all your knowledge gained in this course and build any web applications on your own, because this course is definitely that powerful. And of course, you can also include this project in your resume, which will definitely make your resume stand out. And you know what? I don't make courses just for the sake of selling it and earning money. I want to make the difference by sharing my knowledge and helping as much people as I can to get their dream job. Alright, what you need to know before enrolling in this course? Well, this is a 100% project based course. I will not be teaching you very basic things about programming. So I expect you to have at least the basic knowledge of Django and web development skills. But if you're an absolute beginner, please do some crash course on Django and basic web development including HTML and CSS, and then come back to enroll in this course. I have a full project overview video coming up next. I will show you the demo of the project. Please watch it. I'll see you there.